Hey, are you searching for tactical folding knives? But it is very difficult for you which one is the best among these tactical folding knives. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to the conclusion which tactical folding knives is the best for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Number 1. Smith & Wesson Extreme Folding Knife. The SWA-24S is a high-end tactical knife from Smith & Wesson. Small enough to fit in my hand and pocket. 7cr17 Movi high carbon stainless steel blade features razor sharp edges. It can cut the seatbelt if I need to escape the car. Importantly, the liner lock is positioned correctly below the blade to keep it steady. I have sweaty hands, so I appreciate the textured aluminum handle. Finger indentations provide a firm grip for cutting jobs. A pocket clip makes the knife easy to carry when traveling. It's heavy, so I know it's made of good metal. I like ambidextrous thumb knobs because I can open the knife one-handed. When I open the tool, I'm surprised by its great balance in the center, a sign of a great knife. Number 2. Grandway Spring-Assisted Knife. This spring-assisted Grandway knife is lightweight and convenient. This under 4 inches knife is authorized for self-defense in New York. This military folding knife has a clip that fits in my pants pocket and suit. A thin end near the pocket clip has helped me open bottles at parties. This model clips the knife upside down so the spring won't accidentally open the blade. The sharp 440 degrees Celsius stainless steel blade can be easily honed. The blade design is perfect for light to medium camp cutting. The liner lock prevents me from cutting my fingers. Spring assist in my folding knife opens smoothly with one hand. I can keep my grip on the aluminum handle with little pressure. I also found thumb studs to help me draw the blade quickly with my thumb. Number 3. Swiss Safe 3-in-1 Navy SEAL Skull Tactical Knife. The Navy SEAL Skull is a multifunctional tool that's useful in any situation. I keep it in my car's side neck compartment because its slim design fits there. I'm impressed by the knife's cutting edge, which has both straight and serrated patterns. It cuts almost anything except my fingers because a liner lock prevents the blade from closing accidentally. There's also a pocket clip on the aluminum handle that seems smooth and attaches to many things, including my sleek pants. The versatility of the Navy SEAL Skull makes it appealing. The knife works as a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter, making it an important car tool. Furthermore, this tactical knife is easy to open and close. I like how the stainless steel blade feels when opening. I'm even more convinced by its quality because the manufacturer offers a money-back guarantee. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Border Guard Folding Knife. Smith & Wesson Border Guard is a reliable folding knife for work and play. This model has a solid clip and is very large. This tactical pocket knife can take a beating. 7cr17 Movi stainless steel blade feels heavy and solid, which is good for a rescue knife. Thanks to serration and blood grooves, it can cut twine or whittle wood during hunting. I'm glad the knife opens with a little pressure and a flick of the wrist. The ambidextrous thumb knobs allow one-handed use. The liner lock keeps the blade from closing on my fingers. Track Tech inserts give this tactical folder knife's black aluminum handle a good grip. On the top rear are a rope cutter and a glass breaker. The lanyard eyelet helps me keep the knife on my wrist so I don't lose it. Number 5. Voltstorm Steinbrucke Tactical Folding Knife. High-quality materials and versatility make Voltstorm Steinbrucke a top tactical folding knife. I needed a sturdy pocket knife for tactical and self-defense purposes, and this one is affordable. German stainless steel 8cr13 mauve blade is sharp and can penetrate many materials. I like how the solid locking mechanism keeps the blade from wobbling. A flipper keeps my fingers away from the knife blade when I use it. The aluminum handle is easy to grip. Having a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter on the handle is helpful in a car. I think the glass breaker is effective because of its weight. Spring action opens the blade with a flick of the wrist. The knife opened easier as I used the spring assist more, and with the pocket clip, I can carry this knife from camp to the woods to work. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mention each product link. Thanks for watching this video.